What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So as you guys know, we just did a Weirdos Satan Crate unboxing and parts overview, and I had a full intention on building this kit right after that video was posted, but I decided to hold off until next week on April 1st, which is next Tuesday. I'm going to start it then. I decided to enter into Dave over at the Glue Bomb Show's Random Weirdness Group Build. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter this as a part of it. So still isn't started. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it over to Dave at the Glue Bomb Show and let him go over the rules and conditions that he has from his video. In case anybody wants to go ahead and enter it.
And what I want to see is random weirdness. Now, what's random weirdness? It's whatever you think is random and whatever you think is weird. Now, please, this is a family show, okay? In other words, I want it to be kept clean. There's no brutal violence, no sexual stuff, right? We want to keep it clean. You could do, I love to build weirdos. You could do weirdos. You could do creatures, monsters, Ed Roth stuff. Maybe you're into show rods. Do a show rod. That's what I'm doing this year. I'm doing George Barris's Rickshaw because I consider this to be about the weirdest model kit I've seen in quite a while. All I ask of you is that you start on April 1st and finish by June 1st. Post a video showing your unbuilt kit to get started, and then join in. Share some posts. Every time you post a video about what you're working on, I'd like to ask you to add the hashtag Random Weirdness GB25.
So now that everybody has the rules and conditions for the Random Weirdness Group Build, I definitely look forward to seeing you guys all be a part of it. It's definitely going to be an awesome one. And remember to put your hashtag Random Weirdness GB25 on your videos so we can see your guys' progress and see your guys' kits. I'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.